You have come to a channel that covers AI on a daily basis, but in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to remove AI from Google search, which might yield you better results depending on what you are searching. So I'm going to show you two tricks in this video that can help you while you are searching through the web. We are on Google and we can type in how long to cook pizza in an oven. And there is this AI mode. It is kind of everywhere. We can hit submit and you will see Search Labs or AI overview, and it will tell you about baking a pizza in the oven. But if you want the old Google way back, where it doesn't have this AI overview, it is very simple. We just have to go -AI, hit enter, and boom. The AI overview is completely gone. You no longer see it. A very simple -AI overview is now gone off your search result. This can be pretty helpful sometimes, but this next trick is going to be extremely useful. This time around, we are on Google search and we said, show me a funny photo of a cat. So here is the problem. Under images, you're going to get a lot of images of cats that are AI generated. How do we know what is AI generated and what is not? So let's say we wanted a funny photo of a cat that was not AI generated. How would you do it? And my simple trick for you, well, we can just add before 2023 to our search result, hit search, and now the results we're getting back are before AI generation became mainstream, before people started generating images of cats in funny ways. So now you're able to say, hey, internet, only show me stuff before all the AI trend started happening. And now you know the images you're looking at, and this one here, I don't know if that is real, but this one here is before 2023, so it has a higher chance of not being AI generated. And as I look, there are some pretty good ones, all considering. And Photoshop still existed, I guess, but hey, it's better than just pure AI in your Google search feed. So not a super long video today. Those are my two tricks for you. If you guys enjoy AI content and you want to see the latest and greatest tools, news, prompts, everything, I cover AI on a daily basis so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest that is happening in the world. It is a field that is moving really quickly, so you want to subscribe so you can stay up to date with what is happening. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like on the video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like the ability to search without AI? Do you just don't care? Do you like the AI overview that is popping up on Google search, or do you prefer it not to be there? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video. It tells the algorithm you enjoy this type of content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free. Just come and see at FranklinAI.com, where you're meant to be.